Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri. And as I have give you my analysis on Friday, so market has done the gap down through the opening only. It has done our targets, and now no more bearishness I can see in Bank Nifty especially. So my targets for Bank Nifty is 49 200 area. It can touch 200 or 250. So it's really a good move which we are already in a trailing for the this support 48 300. I found a good support. So after giving a breakout of 48 360, I am having a positions in this particular Bank Nifty, and for the breakout of 49 200, this would be my ultimate target. So I will be going to square off, and this is making a buy on dip setup. So till then it is not reaching this 49 200, we can just trail our positions, because 49 300 is a strongest resistance. So before 300 you need to book your profit, or as per your risk appetite. So this is a gap filling again. You can look for a buying opportunity only. According to 5 minutes, this is a bullish price action where market or Bank Nifty both are ready to go on the upside, and we will be again having a position in this breakout of day high. Maybe people will be looking for a buy, but I can give you this buy is already emerged at 300 level. So 360 breakout where we have taken a buy, and now I will be only to trail only for 49 200. I know this target would be a big one, but I can see rejections on 49 200 250 area. This would be maybe leading as a rejection. Till then it's not going to reach the yesterday's high, like Friday's high. There is no rejection we can see. This is just a kind of buying retracement. If you have missed the opportunity in the morning only, so you will be getting a trade according to 5 minute retracement. So this is a kind of 5 minute retracement, so you can make your position a good opportunity for the buy side only. And I will be looking for maybe in the second half for bearishness, and this is a good trade. And in Nifty there are so much hurdles we can see towards 22 700. It can reach as well 22 800. This would be possible. So this would be your ultimate target, 22 800. There may be yesterday's closing may be acting as a resistance. So this is again a gap filling as well in Nifty as well, where 22 500 and 560 area acting as a good support, and 600 above if it is going to give a breakout. So this is a kind of bullish price action, and we can see a short covering which will be going to trigger for the target of 22 800. This is very much likely to happen. And firstly you need to book your profit at 22 760. This is like a gap filling, and when it's going to reach, so it's maybe possible it will be going to give you a target of 22 800 or 820. This would be your you need to book your profit. No need to hold for more, because maybe market will going to take rejection from the same place where it got rejected on Fridays. So same gap filling we are going to play in the buy on dip setup. Especially I am very much bullish about Bank Nifty for the intraday session only. This is not for positional targets. And Kotak Bank is little bit supported, and right now it's making a higher high pattern, so that Bank Nifty will be going to get support from Axis Bank as well. Federal Bank is little bit slightly positive, and in Nifty there are certain stocks needs to perform, then only we can see so this move which I am predicted in Nifty, maybe bank will be going to lead in Nifty as well. SDFC will be going to lead in the Nifty as well, so that we can see a short covering in Nifty as well. So here no need to look for selling opportunity. Only the resistance of Friday's resistance will be, maybe you can play a sale on rise. But here I only found that buy on dip is setup is more active, and more precisely it will be going on the buy side, and I will be looking for this gap filling positions. And maybe in the like second half we will be looking for the selling opportunity, but here I'm not looking for a selling, especially in bank nifty. And those the like components, if you go with the components as well in bank nifty, so all are on good support on Fridays, and the this opening will be going to be uh, get like a big one, like it has touched to the support. So these are the good supports of SDFC Bank, which is 1660 level. So here it can go for a gap filling. In the same way, bank nifty will be going to lead the rally. So we are going for buy on dip firstly, and second half maybe I will be looking for a like bearishness for the like only on like the uppermost resistance, which is 49,200 or only 250 area, where it will be going to make any rejection and not able to sustain and make a again a new high, then only I will be looking for a selling opportunity. So here my disclaimer is like all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sell as per my recommendation, so consult to your financial advisor first. And this like kind of price action is bullish, so again it's making a buying retracement as I have suggested to you. So go for a gap filling and do this recovery sort of, because everyone is bearish and maybe founding an opportunity that is day high, so it's not possible it will be going to give a breakout, maybe people are thinking. But I just trust me guys, this is a kind of buy on dip setup, so maybe we can see a recovery towards 49,200 250 area. So kindly book your profit and make aside from the market if you have make a profit in the buy side. And if you look for a like selling opportunity, so do the like fast like a move, and you need to like book a profit in a sudden spike in the selling side as well. And one or two trade you can do. So one my trade is already going in the buy side, and I will be looking in the second half maybe for a selling kind of price action on sudden spike. I will be going to book. That's it, and that's all for Monday guys, and have a lovely day ahead. And if you are watching my video till here, so you are very special for me, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. People, I just need your support for the this social support I need, because so that I can reach more and of you, and I can help you out in this trading, especially if the people are not making money on daily basis. So I can guide you and give you my analysis on daily basis, so you can make money like me and make yourself profitable. And in this journey I can support to you and you can support to me, so we will be going to join hands together. So have a lovely day ahead. This is Ankita Agniti signing off. I hope you like the video, so kindly share it with more of you so that all can make money on intraday basis. Bye bye, love you all.